The Weill Cancer Hub is an incredibly exciting vision to bring two great universities together. Joan and Sandy Weill have really insisted that no single institution has the capabilities to answer some of the big questions they would like to see addressed. So they really pushed us on collaborations. And they've shown if these collaborations are real and authentic, then fantastic work gets done.
Sandy and Joan Weill have made and are making such a difference in so many different fields. Now, our two institutions are amazing in terms of the talent in biomedicine, life sciences, healthcare delivery. And we already have a number of collaborations between faculty at our two institutions. But what Sandy and Joan Weill have done is to elevate that to a new level, to provide incentives for people to think really big about collaborations. And that's exactly what our faculty at the two institutions have done, and have come up with amazing projects that I know are going to advance the science of cancer research.
So what we're aiming to do is to take on really big problems in cancer, work together in a collaborative way, bring in multidisciplinary work, and that should enable us to make the next leaps that patients desperately need. To make progress, we're really going to need to come together and work as a team in order to solve these problems.
So the way that we've operated in this collaboration is to not have any preconceived notions about what should be done, but to actually ask our faculty members what are the most exciting ideas that they have. And from those many, many proposals that we received, we wound up through a very rigorous process choosing the top 4 proposals that we thought would be able to make the biggest impact in the shortest amount of time.
The Project Vital uses genetic engineering to reprogram your own immune cells to attack cancer.
Project Impact brings together experts in artificial intelligence and medical informatics to understand a patient's journey during his or her whole course of therapy, such that we can make fundamental new discoveries around cancer.
Project Feast seeks an understanding of the relationship between diet and cancer, both the incidence of cancer, how cancer arises, and whether patients do differently because of their diet.
Project Promise aims to teach our immune cells, our T cells, to fight many different tumor types, including solid tumors where CAR T has currently struggled.
I think it's a wonderful opportunity to put together two fantastic institutions in medical science. It's 2 of the top 10 cancer centers in the United States. They know each other well. And when people collaborate, you have a much higher chance of getting a good result.
Why do the same thing in 2 different places? Why not combine all this knowledge? And it's a shortcut. It makes everything much faster and work together instead of competing all the time, working together. If you want to produce an end that really means something.